Good morning, my dear students. You are welcome to e-learning teaching platform. I'm Mr. Akawe, the maths teacher, School of Junior Secondary Moye Memorial Foundation School, Abo. The subject of today is mathematics, and we are going to consider a topic in this maths. And the class is Jss1. And the topic is plane shapes. Definition. Plane shapes are figures that could be accurately drawn on flat or plane surfaces. Then when we talk of plane surfaces, it includes number one, a flat surface like the top of a table, a playing field, ceiling, wall, face of a tin, and chalkboard face. All these are called plane. When we talk of plane, it means two-dimensional. They are two-dimensional figures. That is, they can be measured in only two directions. And these plane shapes are of two types. One, regular plane shapes. Regular plane shapes have definite length and breadth. Example of regular plane shapes are rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, and trapezium. These are also illustrated with appropriate diagrams or shapes. As you can see in the diagram here, like number one, we have what we call rectangle. Number two, we have what we call square. And the right-hand side, they are all called triangles of different types. Then the next one you can see on the screen, we call it trapezium. While the next one is called a parallelogram. The name of the two shapes in just above the screen, as you can see, are called the trapezium and parallelogram respectively. We also have irregular plane shapes. Irregular plane shapes do not have definite length and breadth. Examples are leaves. This is illustrated with a diagram or shapes. Then as you can see them, they have irregular shapes. Why? They don't have definite length and breadth, and therefore they cannot be measured. Types of lines and angle. In geometry, a point or S has no size but can be regarded as the smallest shape. A line is made up of a set of points which extend indefinitely when extended on both sides. A line with a definite measurement is called a line segment. A line segment has two ends, both points. For example, as you can see, we have S and Y with a definite measurement. It has been measured. Since it has been measured, it is called a line segment. The next one, parallel lines. When two or more straight lines maintaining the same distance apart are drawn such that they do not meet, then the lines are said to be parallel to each other, as shown below. As shown below, you can see we have A, B against CD. They are parallel to each other. Even CD against ED, parallel to each other. As you can see, the symbol AB is parallel to CD, written as AB, that slash slash means parallel to CD. Similarly, AB slash slash, that is parallel to EF, and CD parallel to EF. Then the next one is perpendicular line. As you can see it, SY, that is horizontal line, and AB perpendicular to SY and forming an angle of 90 degree. So AB is perpendicular to SY, written as AB parallel to SY. That is that symbol you can see in between AB and SY. Angles. When two straight lines are drawn such that they meet at a point, an angle is formed. The point where the lines meet is called a vertex. As you can see it in the diagram there, we have the space between lines OA and OB is an angle. OA and OB are called the arms of the angle. And you can see that AO, that is angle OB. As you can see that cap, it represents an angle. That is a particular alphabet bearing the angle on top of O is used to represent an angle. Types of angles. Acute angle. When we talk of acute angle, it's an angle that is less than 90 degrees. Now, what are those angles that are called acute angles? Like angle 80 degree, 70 degree, 60 degree, 40 degrees, 20 degree, 10 degree, even 1 degree. They are known as acute angles. We also have obtuse angle. These are angles that are greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. What are those angles that you know that are called obtuse angle? Like angle 100 degree, 110 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree, 150 degree, 160 degree, 170 degrees. All these angle mentions, they are called obtuse angle. We also have another types of angle which we call reflex angle. And reflex angles are those angles that are more than 80 degree but less than 360 degree. You can see that when you have angle above 180 degree, like angle 190, 200, 270, those angles are regarded as reflex angle. Then that leads us to what we call evaluation. Students should define plane shapes, list and give examples of plane shapes. Assignment. Write out the properties of plane shapes. My personal WhatsApp number is 07060647129. Put your assignment via the number. Thank you. We see you in the next class.